Hello, how you doing? Okay, hope your day is going good. Welcome. Sit back, relax, and let's do this. Today's video is one of the videos that a lot of you have requested. What video did you request? Did you ask? Oh, hold on, let me tell you. We are unraveling this twist today. Oh my gosh, this is an unraveling of mini twist videos. So are you ready? Am I ready? I'm not ready because these twists were supposed to be on my head for 4 weeks. Life happened, I was busy, and they've been here for 5 weeks. Oh my gosh. This is where I say do not do this at home, kids. But seriously, yeah, if your hair tends to lock quite quickly, yeah, don't pass the 4-week mark. Like, even I don't know what I was doing. But anyways, we're here, so we're not gonna cry over spilt milk. We're just gonna why is it gonna? We're just going to, move forward. So let's do that. My hair is a little bit brown because I had colored my hair temporarily, of course, with copper hair color, and it has faded just a little bit. So before I start the process of, unraveling the twist, I need to rinse this out. All I'm doing is literally just rinsing this out with water. Ta-da! I'm back. Okay, all I did, I just put on the shower head and just run it through my hair for like 10 minutes, I think. All the color isn't really gone, like all of it isn't gone as much because I didn't put shampoo. All I did was just water to rinse it out. So a little bit is still there, but at least it's not gonna be messy when I'm taking my hair down. You know what I mean? The takedown isn't so bad. The same way I make the twisting process fun is the same way I make unraveling fun as well. So I have my Alexa to play me music, I have some snacks, I'm comfortable. So yeah, I usually always love to deal with my hair in sections because it's just always easy to manage in sections. Oh my gosh, are y'all sure I can't keep this hair for another week? This is on its last leg. I think it's unraveled itself at this point. Look at them. They look like they unraveled themselves. They're like, we need to go, let us go. I usually like to start from the back, but because I want you guys to see what I'm doing, I will start from the front. The first thing you need to do is to spray your hair to make it damp. Please don't unravel your twists when it's dry. That's a no-no. Your hair would be gone. Your hair will get tangled. You have single strand knots. You break your hair. It's a no. Please no. So, what did I say? When you're unraveling your twists, repeat after me. Unravel them while damp. Thank you. Okay, first twist to unravel. Okay, even though my hair is already damp from me rinsing it out, I think it's already dry now anyways, but the first thing I do is I take one twist, I sort of like bunch it up in my hand and just spray once, and then just make sure my whole hair is wet. All the products I put in my hair will still be there, so once I put water, it just activates it and makes it a little bit slippery. Like I can feel the oil and the leave-in I've had over the last couple of weeks. So I like to start from the very end, the very tip of my hair. You don't want to start from the middle because you'd have a lot of knots. So start from the very end and work your way up as you go. Remember, your hair has been in this position for weeks, so it would want to stay comfortable in this position basically. So work gently upwards, very gently. If you encounter any knots, just gently deal with it. Don't pull it, don't snag. You don't want to lose all of the growth that you've had for the last couple of weeks. You want to retain that growth. So you're literally just unraveling opposite directions. Once I have the two separate twists, I like to take them, individually and also just sort of unravel them as well. Just run my fingers through them. If there are any knots, I like to just gently remove them. Separating my hair very gently. Go to the other one and I do the same. Be careful not to pull any hair feel around if there's any single strand knots, you know, just separate, and there you have it. One down and 1,000 to go. I should have counted how many twists I had, shouldn't I? This is actually so straightforward and so easy to do. I'm basically just unraveling my hair in the opposite direction that it was in. You know, gently working my way up from the ends, separating gently, and then separating those two that were not. Whatever you do, always make sure you start from the ends and work your way upwards. That's always the easiest way to do it to avoid knots. There you have it. Look at how easy it is to just unravel. When I tell you water is the best friend for natural hair. Put it down, break it down. Okay, she headed to the dance floor and she slowly started popping it. She fell in love with an Englishman. Kiss her on the neck and then I take her by the hand. And baby, just wanna dance. Go away, girl. Oh Lord, girl, I got the right tactics to turn you on. And girl, wanna be the papa, you can be the mom. Okay, sometimes when you're unraveling your twists, you will get stuff like this. So just unraveled this too, and they seem to be merged at the base. And then what I do is I leave it, take one, so I deal with them individually first, from ends as usual, down all the way to where the two meet. And I stop there. I take the other one and I start from ends to unravel all the way to where the two meet. And then all I'm doing now is just unraveling both of them together. Gently, of course. Gently, gently, gently. Easy does it. Easy does it. Just trying to make sure I don't have any other single knots. And that's it. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. I have a little bit of a chunk right here and I'm just going to put it away because again, as I'm going, my hair is drying out and I do not like that. And I will just twist this away. And away we go. And away we Oh my gosh, Khadija. Okay, let's do another section. Spray that. Spray. What I'll just tell you is whenever it is you decide to unravel your twists, just make time for it. Don't be in a rush. Make time for it is an act of self-care. It's a time for you to meditate, for you to think, for you to plan. You know, just don't think about it as something negative. Think about it as a positive. You're spending time with yourself. You're enjoying your own company and doing something that benefits you. I'm listening to music while I'm unraveling my hair. I'm gonna go get snacks in a little bit. I'm probably gonna call my friend and we're going to be on the phone for a long time as well. So yeah, make it fun. Okay, so this one that has sort of unraveled itself has made a little tiny knot here. Spray a little bit of water where the knot is, just let that absorb. And then very gently, I will just start to unravel, I guess. Very gently, just pulling gently, like any strand of hair that I can pull gently out of that knot. Pretty much strand by strand. Yeah, I know you're like, this cannot be me, but this doesn't happen like throughout the hair. It's usually around my hairline in front and then my hairline in the back. There you go. That bit literally took me like what, a minute, and all I had to do was just hold the knot and just gently pull like hair out of the knot, and that's it. The brightest colors fill my head, a million dreams are keeping me away. They can say it all sounds crazy. Every time I do these twists, I am so convinced that I'm definitely locking my hair. Oh my goodness, I thoroughly enjoyed wearing these twists. Like, if not for the fact that my hair would become locks if I let it sit for another week, I would have left it. It was just so easy for me to maintain. It was stressless, no tension. You know, all the benefits of twists. It was so easy to moisturize my hair. I just felt like there was one less thing for me to do. Like, I didn't need to do my hair, so there was one less thing for me to do on my list, and it was just so great. Streaming with your eyes wide open, so come alive. I even feel like my edges, if they could speak, they'd be like, thank you for letting us rest. If you can't put this effort into unraveling your hair, then maybe this twist on for you. Because I know a lot of people are like, oh, it can't be them, you know, they love the twist, but unraveling is a problem. If you're taking out time to sit down to do braids for like 6 hours and then sit down to unravel those braids, girl, you can do this. This ain't a thing. I have my mirror right here sitting on my thighs, so I can see when I put my head down. I can see what I'm doing as I'm unraveling them very gently and very slowly. So if I look up, I see a mirror here. If I look here, I see a mirror here. And if I look down, I can see a mirror here. It's a three-way, baby. As I've always mentioned, my hair is easier to manage when damp, so as I go along, I am spraying water on my hair to keep it damp. Especially now that I'm trying to unravel and finger detangle a little, it's just easier and so manageable to just keep my hair damp while I unravel. The last time I actually did these twists, it took me 6 hours. So in my mind, when I was planning to do these ones that I'm taking down now, I had planned that, oh, you know, it would take me 6 hours, and then to my surprise, it took me 5 hours. What I'm trying to say basically is, if you feel like your puttings are not as straight, if you feel like your hair isn't, you know, acting the way you want it to, if you feel like it takes you longer to do your hair, just know that the more you practice, the more easier it becomes. You get better. So just keep practicing, just keep going, just keep going, just keep going, and then it gets better. Don't dread untwisting or unraveling your hair. look at it as me time, as self-care. Working at the car wash. Oh, yeah. Who remembers Shark Tale? Oh my gosh, that was my childhood right there. Now I'm inside, break it down, thinking of making a new sound, playing a different show. Oh, oh my god, I'm dead. Oh my goodness. Look at my hair. Okay, so guess how long it took me to finish unraveling or taking down these twists? Drum roll. But like I said, I don't mind. I made it fun. It's self-care. It's time to hang out with me. And I took my time. I was very patient. I attended to every knot, every twist, every tangle, every strand. So I was super slow and that was fine by me. Everybody has their own pace, so don't let the unraveling process scare you, please. I mean, if this isn't for you, if mini twists are not for you, you can do small twists, you can do medium twists, you can do large twists. Like mini twists, honestly, is not for everybody. And I only do these twice a year because yes, it is time consuming to do and to take down. Okay, and in taking down my twist, this is what I lost. This is all the hair that I lost. And this is from 5 weeks worth of my hair shedding, and of course I had a few like knots here and there. Anyways, all that aside, I need to go do the next steps, which is pre-poo, shampoo, deep condition and detangle, rinse out, and style my hair. I don't know how I'm gonna style it. I'll probably pile it up in a pineapple at this point because girls be tired. But yeah, I'm just gonna go do that right now, starting with pre-poo. And we're done. So at the end of it all, after deep conditioning and steaming my hair, I applied leave-in conditioner, Monoi milk, and scalp cream on my scalp and detangled with my fingers a little bit. And as you can see, all I had strength for was to put it all up in a pineapple. And because my ends had been out for like literally 5 weeks in my twist, I just wanted to protect my ends a bit more by just tucking them. Thank you so much for requesting this video, and I am so glad I was able to do it. I always try to make it fun and interesting. I watched 2 movies. What did I watch? I watched Matilda, I watched Shark Tale. It was so good. I listened to music. I just wanted to say thank you for staying, and I hope you'll be doing your mini twist soon, and taking down your mini twist won't be a chore. Please don't forget to like this video. Please like it. Don't forget to subscribe, and please don't forget to press that bell so whenever I post you get a notification. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Enjoy your day.